Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I want to show you how to upload YouTube Shorts directly from your phone. Let's open YouTube application on your device, and then at the bottom side of the screen in the center you want to tap plus button, which is create button, and then let's select short option right here from the list of options. You need to scroll to short option. Now you have two options. You can record your video, so use this red circle, or you can upload your video from your gallery. Let's go here. Now from your gallery, select video that you want to upload. You can select multiple. Now let's tap next button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here you can adjust your video. So you can crop it a little bit, and as well you can set its position. It's vertical, as you can see. Sorry, it's horizontal, so I will need to set vertical frame to it. It doesn't matter. Let's tap done button. Now here you can use some tools, so you can add your sound, some music. Now you can add text to your shorts, as well as you can apply some filters. You can use some stickers. As well, you can add captions, which are automated captions, and as well you can set your voiceover. Now when you're done, tap next button in the bottom right. Now you can add some details. So here you need to add your title. Also, you need to set your visibility if you want your shorts to be public, unlisted, or private. As well, you can schedule your shorts. And you can set your location if you need that, and you can set your audience. When you're happy with how your shorts look like, you can press upload short button in the bottom right corner of your screen to finally upload your shorts. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.